All right, we're in 6.2 still. This is the third video. We're going to be adding and subtracting radicals. Okay, so like radicals have the same index and the same radicand. That's what's considered like radicals. Like radicals are the ones that have the same index, in other words, the same root and the same radicand. Only like radicals can be added. All right, you add the coefficients and then you keep the radical. All right, notice here these are not the same radicals. They have the same index, but they do not have the same radicand, so they're different. So you cannot add those yet. All right, but can we simplify them? All right, 40. So this 2 and 20, 2 and 10, 2 and 5. All right. So we still have this one. All right. So we're at plus. Now this says for every three of the same, I can pull out the radical. So we got 1, 2, 3. So 2 can come out. But there's a 5 left over, so that stays within the radical. Now these are the same, and the radicands are the same. So now I can add the coefficients. So we got 1 plus 2 is 3, cube root of 5. All right, last example. All right. They have the same index, but these are not the same. So we can't add or subtract these yet until they are. So let's go ahead and simplify this one. So 256 is 2 and 128, 2 and 64, 2 and 32, 2 and 16, 2 and 8, 2 and 4, 2 and 2. Seems tedious, but I think it's the best way of doing it. For me it is. Alright, so for every 7, it can come out of the radical. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means a 2 can come out. So this becomes 2, radical 7. There's 1, 2 left over, so that stays inside. Alright, so now I have negative 6, the 7th root of 2, plus 2 radical 7 of 2. All these are the same. The indexes are the same and the radicands are the same. So that means I can add or subtract their coefficients. So negative 6 plus 2 is a negative 4, and you just keep the rest of it the same.